Hi, welcome to the Berkeley Chef channel. I'm Jenny here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious, yummy coconut yogurt. It's very simple, only with few ingredients, and it's very cheap as compared to store-bought coconut yogurt, and it is really good. So what we need is a can of coconut milk, full fats, and this one is about 100 grams of fresh young coconut meat. So all you do is that you need a 1, 2 and a vegan probiotics, okay, to add to the coconut yogurt. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way, and you can whip it up and you will have a delicious coconut yogurt. So you just dump this young coconut meat inside and open the can and just dump everything inside and then blend it up. And then you will ferment this yogurt in about 24 hours at room temperature. But if you do have a yogurt maker and you just set it according to instruction on your yogurt machine, then everything is done. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this coconut yogurt right in here, the cream. So we're going to blend right now. Make sure that your Vitamix is starting low. You don't want to really high speed. It's going to like splatter everywhere sometime. So we're just going to just make sure that everything is blended up, and it has to be very creamy, like it's coming together. I probably need a few more. I'm going to blend one more time and just to give it a creamy texture. See, the texture now is very smooth and creamy. Okay. So now you can get a vegan probiotics. So you would take our capsule of it. I usually don't put a whole capsule, depending on how much tangier or sour you want. I usually use about 1/8 of a teaspoon. So I open the capsule here and then just measure it. Okay, so it's 1/8 a teaspoon. And just give it a stir. Okay, now it's actually done. Now make sure your mason jar is clean. Okay, it's sterilized. Make sure so there's no bad bacteria growing in. So I pour in right here. The other thing, I have this nut milk bag. Okay. And a rubber band. So I pour this right here. Okay. Just give it a tap. You just don't want it to wait fill it up so it doesn't like, sometimes when it's ferment, sometimes it's like bubble up and anything like that, so you don't want it to overfull. So now you would get a clean nut milk bag, or if you don't have this kind of a stuff, you can get a cheesecloth and you just put this over it and put a rubber band. And you can put this at a room temperature or on top of your fridge if you like, and the warm temperature will let it ferment. So I usually ferment between about 18 to 24 hours, depending on how much of a sourness, how much of a tanginess that you will love. So you let it sit there, and then by tomorrow it's ready for you. And the dessert is simple. It's absolutely delicious, and maybe I will show you the next video how we're going to use this absolutely delicious coconut yogurt. You can put on some granola. My favorite is like fresh berry or frozen berry with banana. Absolutely yummy. So until next time, and come back and send us a feedback and subscribe to our channel, and hope you enjoy this delicious coconut yogurt made home fresh from home. Thank you.